Good evening sa panibagong episode ng Katarantaduhan Podcast. And bihira tong episode na to kasi bumalik na po ang matagal nating nawalang guest. So it's your boy, Erwin.
Your boy Jericho.
What's up? What's up?
Let's go.
So ito yung mga gabing one-offs, I would say. And mapalad tayo kasi sinamahan tayo ni Jericho ngayong gabi. And medyo maganda yung mood ngayong gabi. So ano bang inspiration natin ngayong gabi kung bakit meron tayong motivation mag-shoot at currently 2:54 AM?
You versus you.
Ano ba ang you versus you para kay Jericho? Bakit you versus you pala, bro? Yung mic mo kasi.
My bad.
Yeah.
So like in everything, right? The only thing that's stopping you is you. You know.
In what way? Like elaborate mo. Paano like how did you come up with this idea or mindset or mentality?
Because like if you really want something, right? Like you wouldn't care, if there's any hurdles or anything like that, right?
Sure.
What else?
Meron ka bang prime example, bro? Like how do you use this you versus you mentality? Like let's just say on everyday life or yung mga ganung bagay kasi parang mas madali mo siyang ma-apply kapag ka yung you.
It's like if you want to achieve something, right? Like you may come up with a lot of bullshit excuses, but at the end of the day, like that's what I mean, like you versus you. Because like inside of you, there's a bitch na parang, fuck, I don't want to do this and that.
So like you're saying na parang there's always like the only thing that's holding you back is you. Like parang
there's nothing, bro.
Yeah, like
it's not your mom, it's not your parents.
Yeah. So like parang the way you said it is parang kasi 'di ba, the way things happen is obviously parents would tell us something, our folks like mga tito, tita, they would always say something na parang, oh shit, you can do that, oh shit, you have to do this and that. But at the end of the day, it's either gagamitin mo yung mga sinabi nila as limiting beliefs. And now it happens to be like, okay, do I choose to believe yun or do I choose to believe me?
Right.
Kasi parang may factor yung may factor yung mga sinasabi ng mga taong nagmamatter sa'yo in a way that parang
for sure, yeah.
Yeah, kasi parang yun yung doon pumapasok yung nurturing. You know what I mean? So that's how I interpret yung sinasabi mo na parang you versus you is like, am I supposed to believe this part of myself which is you? Like yung you versus you, di ba? Parang is like this part of myself. Do I have to believe that or do I have to believe the other side of the fence, which is fuck, man, say whatever you want.
And plus,
I'll
it's
do
like it's kind of like, what do you call this? Like self accountability, right? Like once you think of it like that way, that it's you versus you, right? Parang you stop making excuses.
Yeah.
Fuck, I forgot.
Like I actually like that,
You know what I mean, though? It's like fuck, I'm lost in my thoughts, bro.
That's good. It's fine. It's fine.
It's
Kasi
too much.
actually, guys, the reason behind UVU kasi kami ni Jack ngayon is parang meron kaming current na parang yung current passion namin is running. Tapos meron kaming brand na fina-follow and I would actually post it here sa mga manonood ng video is yung pangalan ng brand nila is UVU, like UVU Club, which means like you versus you. So like on a standpoint ng sports, athletics or fitness, parang if anything, parang yung mindset na parang if you really want to get better at your craft, it's always gonna be you versus you. Like
exactly.
It's like, do you want to train today or not? Like there's always two voices in your head na parang shit. Like, do I work out today? Do I train today? Parang may kinwento sa akin si Jack kanina actually yung about dun sa lolo.
That?
Yung may two wolves. Actually, like
it was like that story.
Yeah, let them know, bro.
It's like, so yung lolo, he was telling yung apo niya about a story about there's always like two wolves inside of you, a black wolf and a white wolf.
Yeah.
And they're always in a constant like battle, right?
Yeah.
And at the end, yung apo was like, so lolo, like who ends up winning at the end?
Yeah.
And yung lolo was like, whoever you like
feed
the most.
Yeah.
So that means it's like, are you gonna feed the negativity in your life?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna feed the positivity?
Yeah.
Like, you know.
Yeah. So like in layman's term is parang yung sinasabi ni Jack dun sa kwento is parang may dalawang wolves sa bawat persona ng bawat pagkatao, and there's black and white wolf. And yung parang moral of the story is parang sinabi nung apo na who wins between the black wolf and the white wolf. And ang ganda nung sinabi nung lolo is it depends who you feed more. So meaning kung sino yung mas pinaniniwalaan mo more often. So if you're actually more yielding towards the side ng black wolf, yung odds na mas mananalo siya is mas malaki kasi you're feeding off that energy sa black wolf as opposed to dun sa white wolf.
Yeah.
So nandun yung debate na parang, and it's constant, di ba? Yung you versus you is very, very constant on everyday battles, everyday na kinakaharap natin. So like itong mindset na to is applicable on everything you do in your life every day. So hindi lang siya parang, like alam mo yun, yung kasi parang ayokong sabihin na parang etong you versus you is parang romanticized towards sa yung mga bagay na parang momentous na parang mga athlete, yung mga ganun, no. Like parang yung simplest example, papasok ka sa work today, mag-workout ka today. Yeah. It's you versus you. You have the option to either bail out, meaning hindi po mag-workout, or mag-workout ka. So parang there's two voices in your head na parang, am I supposed to go today or I'm just gonna bail out, lay down, relax? Diba? Call in sick o di ka papasok. Parang ganun eh. And parang doon nag-resonate sa amin yung brand. Kasi nga parang, alam mo yun, parang it actually pushes you forward na parang, do I wanna train today and get, like parang, kasi pag nagtitraining ka, you're training to improve. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like parang every time na nag-i-step on ka sa workout, nag-grind ka, you're working towards something to improve yourself.
Yes.
Better than yesterday. So if you're actually like using this mentality na you versus you, it's like, fuck man, am I a better version of myself today than yesterday? Parang that's a question you have to answer every day. Whatever you do.
Yeah.
Diba?
I found it, bro.
What is it?
So like when ano yung sabi mo kanina?
About what?
Self-accountability.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Parang, you start to like, stop blaming the external. Now you go internal. So every time you fuck up, parang you stop fucking making excuses. Oh,
kasalanan nito yan.
Because this and that. Now you lean, okay, I fuck up, it's my fault.
So there's ownership.
Exactly.
Yeah. I think that's actually perfect example, bro. Kasi like,
that's what I mean, yeah.
Kasi like, you know how like so many of us have excuses all the time. And for the most part, pag gumawa tayo ng excuse, yung excuse na yun, we are blaming external factors besides ourselves, which in most cases, tayo naman yung sa huli, nasa sa atin yung power to actually decide whether am I gonna have an excuse not to do this, or am I just gonna go say, fuck it, I'm gonna do it.
Right.
You know what I mean? Na parang, meron kasi kaming napanood na podcast, actually, i-share ko, yung Diary of CEO, yung pangalan ng channel niya sa YouTube, sa mga gustong makapanood. And then, may isang in-interview doon, isa siyang Navy SEAL. Ang pangalan niya is Jocko Willink, ang pangalan niya. And yung part nung episode na yun, tinanong niya is, how much do you actually really want it? Do you really actually want it? And ang ganda nung sinabi niya nun. So like, ask that question to yourself. Tapos, sinabi niya doon na parang, if you really want something, there's nothing that's stopping
you, right?
Right?
Yes.
But then, if you don't want something that bad enough,
you'll find the excuses.
Like, you're going to stop at anything.
Yeah.
With just about anything. Like, kahit anong mag-come up sa harapan mo.
It just takes one.
Yeah, kahit sobrang ano pa yan, sobrang babaw, sobrang petty, sobrang shallow. Wala kang like hindi ka magdadalawang isip. Talagang, you know what man, like, I have an excuse. I don't want to do this anymore. Alam niyo yung kasabihan na yung pag gusto mo, may paraan. Pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. 'Di ba? So and that is true. That is true. So sa mga ganong like sa mga instances yun, like I know, parang, kasi ngayon parang sobrang, alam mo yung feeling na at this point in time, itong present moment na to, parang sobrang motivated kasi natin kasi nakapanood tayo ng inspirational and motivational.
Tapos bukas wala
Pero
na,
kasi, it happens na parang on a normal day or on a regular basis, mararamdaman mo yung parang, fuck man, like today, I don't feel like I don't feel that you versus you today. Na parang how do you actually like, kasi those are like the demons you have to battle with every day constantly.
Yeah,
na parang,
like it's so easy to say right now because parang hype tayo eh.
Yes.
But once you're in that
realistically
that
speaking
moment na, oh, it's fucking 9 a.m. I don't want to go to fucking gym.
Yeah.
Like I just want to lay in my bed.
Yeah, but then how do you convince yourself yung mga ganong moments? Like yung parang may hurdle sa harap mo na parang you feel tired, you feel exhausted, you feel like you're not yourself today, na parang lahat nitong mga motivation na to, parang, man, kahit ang dami kong motivation ngayon, like yung motivation stuff na yun, kahit iniisip mo, parang hirap ka pa din na ituloy yung gusto mong gawin. So how do you battle that out para, let's say, you know what, even though pagod ako ngayon, I'd still like try to go.
Yeah.
Like how do you handle that?
I guess you just gotta like really persevere. Like I'm not perfect. Like
nobody's perfect.
There's like a lot of times where I fucking fail, right? Like
we all do fail. Yeah.
I end up just fucking laying in my bed for hours instead of going to the gym. But yeah, may nabasa ako yun. It's called the 5-second rule. So like, if you want to make a decision, like just like take like 5 seconds to think about it and then just get up real quick, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
I never heard about this.
Parang, I guess it's more like yung will mo. To like just fucking do it. Like just fuck it. Like that excuses. Yeah, you're making excuses, right?
Yeah.
Just fucking do it.
Like parang,
you know,
fuck the excuses. Regardless how you feel, just do it.
Yeah.
And I feel like that's kind of true. Kasi parang may nabasa ako nun na today, you may not be able to, yung output mo is not 100%, but you still did something. Let's say yung output mo is half of that, 50%. That's better than not having any output, which is zero.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean? So, parang on a standpoint ng improvement, kasi parang ang goal lang naman natin to improve is 1% every day. And imagine, even if yung output mo today is just only 50%, yung effort mo nandun pa din eh.
Yeah.
It's like you gotta give yourself credit na parang, kasi not every day we are parang 100%.
Yeah. Like
diba?
that's just how it is, right?
Yeah. But like hindi naman namin sinasabi, like parang hindi namin niro-romanticize yung idea na parang yung grind 24/7 na parang no days off. No. Hindi ganun.
You wanna have fun sometimes. Right?
Diba? Hindi, at saka yung alam mo yung no days off na mentality, parang toxic din yun eh. So you have to like balance it out. Alam niyo naman, like parang in moderation lahat. Kasi lahat ng extremes, masama din eh. Let's say, there comes a point na parang, let's say you just keep grinding it out, but then you're not even, parang wala nang growth. You know what I mean?
How do you balance it though? You know what I mean?
Like, I guess,
like do you have like an exact number of days? I'm just gonna grind these days, and then the rest I'm just chilling. Ganun ba? Or
in a way, kasi ako as a person, kasi the way I do it, kasi like you know me, like sobrang busy ko, 'di ba? So I'm balancing work, I'm balancing content creation, right. And there's also like personal time, family time, everything. So yung parang ko lagi, parang siguro yung framework ko na nagwo-work para sa akin is I'm gonna grind it out on a weekdays, Monday, Tuesday till Friday. Tapos yung incentive ko is, okay, I'm gonna have fun when Saturday comes, Sunday comes. Parang, yun yung parang, okay, I wanna be able to enjoy my weekend without having to think of, okay, I missed this, I missed that. So, might as well, tapusin ko na ngayon. Yung ganun. Pero, hindi siya laging like perfect, you know? Like you said, like hindi rin ako perfect. And merong mga times na parang, shit, like it's a Tuesday, I'm not feeling like doing anything today. And I just want to like lay in bed too. So, it's happening na parang ganun. But, I try my best na parang, let's say, just do a little bit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, let's say, I need to upload a video this week. and I was not able to do it. But at least magawa ko lang yung script or yung outline ng gagawin ko para sa video na to. Para next week, tapos ko na yung part na yun. And then, makakagawa pa rin ako ng video. So, nandun pa rin yung part ng progress na parang, kasi naalala ko, alam yung pinag-usapan natin na parang how do you measure yung efforts mo? Na-measure mo lang ba yung efforts mo based on the number of successes?
That's the book, the winner effect.
Diba? So, like, parang, mahirap kasi kung ibabase nyo yung efforts nyo sa number of success nyo lang. Hindi naman kasi ganun eh. Parang, let's just say, i-measure nyo yung success nyo on a given day. Let's say, pagising mo, inayos mo ba yung kama mo? That's a win. Kasi inayos mo na. So, that's effort, number 1. Nag-workout ka ba? That's another effort. That's a win for you. So, like, i-count nyo yung parang little wins during the day. Kasi nagka-count yun towards...
build up yun eh.
Yeah, exactly. Parang isipin mo na lang at the end of the day, naging productive ba ako towards sa mga goals ko? Like, parang gusto ko malinis yung kwarto ko, yung bahay ko.
Diba?
Yeah, so like, even if that's the little things, pag parang, I guess, na-achieve mo yun, I think that's a win in my book. Ikaw ba?
Yeah, like
nakaligo ka, kung di ka naliligo.
Even just like folding your fucking, like, making your bed.
At yeah, di ba? Like, as simple as that.
That's a win.
Or like, let's say, kumain ka, and kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na hindi naghuhugas kagad ng pinggan, pero you chose to like wash your dishes that's after you eat right away. On your book, that's a win. Diba? Those little things. Parang, hindi nyo naman kailangan i-focus kasi parang, parang yung, alam mo yung, oh shoot, like parang today, nakatapos ako ng sobrang malaking bagay. No, mahirap yun eh. Parang, the more you think about yung pag sobrang sophisticated ng isang bagay, let's say parang the amount of effort that it takes, yung sobrang too much, nag-i-end up ka na nag-i-end up ka na wala kang gagawin. Naisip, like, na-try mo na ba yun?
It's like parang napaparalyze ka.
Yeah, like it's ito
Hindi mo alam, like you're just in bed like, oh fuck, should I do this or that?
Kasi sobrang complicated or sobrang complex nung kailangan mong ma-achieve to the point na parang, shit, this is way too big for me to finish just for today.
Yeah, that's so true.
As opposed to like, parang, ang gagawin mo is parang i-divide mo siya. Divide and conquer. Divide it, put it on some other days. It's just say, ito yung analogy ko. Pag sinabi ko ba na, I'm gonna build a car today, matatapos ko ba yun? As opposed to, let's say, ang gagawin ko lang sa kotse ngayon is papalitan ko lang yung gulong. Matatapos ko yun.
Yes.
As opposed to like, puta, papalitan ko yung buong sasakyan. Like, matatapos mo ba yun, di ba? Like logically speaking, unreasonable yun. Especially kung ikaw lang mag-isa gago. I mean, kung meron ka talagang manpower to do that, like a power plant or something. Like, I don't even like power plant. Mali. Factory pala. Factory. So, kung meron kang planta or assembly line na kayang gawin yun, of course, matatapos mo. Pero kung ikaw lang mag-isa, like, hypothetically speaking, di ba? So, yun yung akin eh. Parang, even if yung mismong mantra natin is you versus you still have to like, parang, you have to like parang step back a little bit and
bird's eye view.
Yeah, and in a way kailangan mo ring i-celebrate yung small wins mo.
Yeah.
And at the same time, kung meron kang mga tasks na gagawin, divide and conquer, 'di ba? Like I said, divide mo, conquer. Hindi mo siya like kahit sinong tao pa yan, like kahit si Einstein pa yan. Imagine niyo sa mga hindi naman ako magaling sa physics or anything, pero si Einstein, bago niya nagawa yung mga talagang Nobel Peace Prize niyang theories, it took him decade. It didn't take him like what? A week to discover yung theory of relativity, man. Like that took him years, bro. Right? Like imagine that. Like parang ganun eh. Parang in order for you to achieve bigger things, you have to go slow. Parang yun yung paradox eh. In order to become faster, sa running
you have to go slow.
You have to go slower. Yeah. So, apply nyo rin yun. Yung parang, I know at the end of the day, you guys wanna improve, you guys wanna be like that person, yung gusto nyong ma-achieve, but you gotta step back, i-analyze nyo yung situation, and look at it parang, okay, how do I do this in a way na parang tama lang, balance eh. Diba? Like I said, parang everything na parang extremes, it's gonna be bad for you.
Kasi minsan pag if you put 100%, or even more than that in just one day. The next day,
mabi burnout ka man.
Yeah.
In a way.
Instead of like 30% each day.
Yeah, 'di ba?
You know.
And to think parang yung progress mo na yun, akala mo kasi like maliit yun. Yeah, it's small. Pero hindi mo nararamdaman yung efforts na yun, actually in a way nagko-compound yun eh.
Exactly.
And when it compounds, it doesn't go up linearly, it goes exponentially. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like it's actually huge. So parang wag niyong isipin na shit, parang ba't si ganito yung na-achieve na niya. Like wag niyo i-compare sarili niyo kasi you don't know kung kailan sila nag-start eh.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like parang let's just say i-compare ko yung sarili ko sa taong let's say 40 years old na. Let's say ako I just started running now. Yung taong kino-compare ko yung sarili ko, he's been running for 10 years.
Diba?
And i-compare ko yung time ng pagtakbo niya, like sobrang bilis niya for a certain number of mileage. Like let's say natapos niya yung 5 kilometers for this X amount of time and ako natapos ko for this Y amount of time. So I can't say na parang how come mas mabilis siya and ako ganito lang even if I've been training every day for the last 1 year. Bro, like this guy is training for 10 years consistently.
Yeah. And this is like your what? Second year?
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
And the thing is, kung babalikan natin yung start ng mismong topic nitong video, you versus you, it's not you versus him
It's you
or her.
versus you.
It's you versus you.
Right?
That's why kapag nadi-discourage kayo, may nakikita kayong ibang tao na how come sila ganito? How come sila ganun? Guys, alalahanin nyo. You versus you. Hindi you versus him, you versus her. Hindi ganun eh. So yun yung parang isang bagay na kailangan nyo laging isipin na parang wag nyo i-compare yung progress nyo towards other people. Kasi minsan, talagang madidismaya ka eh.
Or, you know what? What do you think about like healthy, what do you call this? Parang i-compare mo yung sarili mo in a healthy way to other people.
I think that's good too.
Cause like, you know, like, gusto mo i-gauge kung nasaan ka. Like, am I going slow or am I going
fast? Too fast,
quickly,
yeah.
right? In a way, o kunwari, like we started at the same time, right?
Yeah.
Like, it seems like you're going faster than me.
Also, like parang...
magigauge ko na. Maybe I need to go faster.
Yeah. Or like you're trying to figure out what is it that I'm doing wrong.
So, at the same time, it's not a bad thing to like compare yourself. Pero it's bad to compare yourself pag sinabi
in a negative way, siguro.
Kunwari, he's like faster than me. That means I suck.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's good.
A good way is like, okay, he's faster than me. What is he doing that's making him faster than me? Yeah,
parang you're trying to learn.
Exactly.
Yeah, like parang don't beat yourself to it. Na parang, like parang alam mo yung parang hindi mo na kinikredit yung efforts mo na parang, alam yung, I guess, yung sinasabi is parang the way I see it, yung naiinggit ka na lang sa progress nila versus dun sa sinasabi mo nga na, okay, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong and I'm trying to ask someone who's done something.
Exactly.
Like, yung parang, if you want to be a millionaire, you're asking people who's a millionaire. Kasi yun yung goal mo eh. So then, parang they would tell you, okay, these are the things that I did that maybe you haven't done. And at that point, i-apply mo ngayon sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. And that's good. And I wouldn't really say na parang comparing yun. It's more like you're actually treating them more like you're looking up to them as a role model na parang dinadissect mo yung dinadissect mo yung okay, this is what we did together, but then what is it that he did differently na iba sa akin, that's why mas naging okay yung outcome nung ano niya. Yeah, so I think that's good too. I feel like at the end of the day, bro, parang sa akin ikaw ba pala? Itong you versus you na mentality. Anong legacy yung gusto mong iiwan? Let's say bata ka pa ngayon and obviously you have goals you wanna achieve and meron kang mga objectives eh. Like parang if I achieve this stuff, ito yung legacy na iiwan ng isang Jericho. What is it like? What is that legacy that you're always parang like, you know, like that keeps on parang popping off your head, like na parang one day if I die.
Damn, that's fucking deep, man. So like what, like generational wealth? Is that what you?
It's you, man. Like it's you. Like you're doing yourself. Like you know.
I guess so. Like I guess like
I don't know. Like what legacy do you want to leave? Like parang you want to leave in the world.
Yeah, kind of like that. Yung parang I want my future family to be
comfortable.
Yeah, comfortable. Like they're set up for the future, I guess.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, that's good. And
even the future.
Yeah. And that's nice. That'd
be crazy. That'd be crazy.
Yeah. So yun yung legacy, like yung gusto mong iiwan. That's why you've been grinding hard, the you versus you mentality. So, yeah. And that's good. Yeah. That's good. Yeah. I like that. I think for me, legacy wise, that too, I guess, like who doesn't want generational wealth, diba? Like I think the way I actually like persevere too much is because yun nga din, who doesn't wanna be like wealthy, diba? But at the same time, I just wanna be like, happy. Yung parang legacy ko, let's say I may not become a millionaire one day, but I know for a fact na since I've been implementing this you versus you ideology sa sarili ko, I've attained my potential. Kasi yun yung laging worry ko na parang if I just sit on the couch today instead of actually working on something that I know I'm passionate on and something that I'm gonna grow, it's not a wasted potential. Like, every single one of us, lahat tayo na ginawa ni God, may potential. Lahat tayo may God-given talents. And I feel like it is up to us na obligasyon natin to nurture that. You know what I mean?
Right.
Like, parang sa akin is like, even the day comes na, okay, my time on earth is done. Whatever it is that I did, because I'm trying to get to that potential of mine, kung ano man yung ma-achieve ko noon, like let's say, mga naiwan kong videos, mga naituro ko, generational wealth, kung bibigay ni Lord, yun yung legacy ko, na parang, oh shit, like, let's say, kahit yung, let's say, kung mawala man ako bukas, kausapin yung mga tao, yung mga kaibigan ko, yung mga nakakakilala sa akin na parang, oh, si Erwin, yan yung type of guy na, like, he's not gonna stop until he's, like, parang he's achieved something that he's put his mind into. Yung ganun ba?
Yeah.
Parang ganun yung legacy. Parang gusto ko, parang, pag umalis ako sa mundo bukas, yung mga taong naiwan ko, they're gonna remember me as someone na parang they'll be inspired. Doesn't matter if it's money, doesn't matter if it's, kahit ano yan. Basta gusto ko pag sinabi yung pangalan ko, kahit na sino, parang may inspire yung mga tao na parang, oh shit, that guy, yeah, like, yung ganun.
You move them in like a good way.
Yeah, like parang sa akin nga yung lagi kong sinasabi is, let's say, sa podcast na lang, itong podcast natin na to, na parang, it doesn't matter if we make a lot of money. Pero kung may taong nakikinig sa podcast na to and we change their life dahil sa sinabi natin, kahit isang tao lang, bro, that's fucking priceless, man. Yung legacy na iiwan mo when that person starts talking about like how did you like what changed your life or who changed your life.
Nangyari sila, no?
Kahit ano.
Send nyo lang kami ng ano.
Oh,
1%.
Di ba?
1% of the profit, bro.
Wala na, patay na ako. Di ba? Ibig sabihin, yun na lang eh. Yun lang. So, yun lang yung parang moral na, like parang gusto naming iwan sa inyo na parang, like, parang isipin nyo palagi yung you versus you. It's like, parang it applies kahit na anong state mo sa buhay eh. Mayaman, mahirap. Di ba?
Yeah.
Na parang, yan yung isang bagay na parang, pag in-apply mo sa buhay mo, kahit na anong gusto mong gawin, ma-achieve mo. Kahit anong bagay na gusto mong gawin, na parang whatever it is that you put your mind into, you can achieve it.
Yeah.
Like, walang pipigil sa'yo kundi sarili mo lang. So, yun yung tatandaan nyo.
You versus you.
You versus you.
Yes, sir.
Nobody's gonna stop you. Not your mom, not your dad, not your girlfriend, not your wife, not your friends. Nobody. Unless si God, siguro. Kasi pag kinuha ni God yung buhay mo,
that's it.
Deadball ka na. But yeah, like, all that aside, like, tandaan nyo lang na ang kalaban nyo sa araw-araw is sarili nyo lang.
Yeah.
Para ma-achieve nyo kung ano man yung gusto nyo, kung ano yung bagay na gusto nyo ma-achieve. And that's it. And we wanna cap this episode off na sabihin na know what you want, it's you versus you, and leave whatever legacy you wanna leave. So it's your boy, Erwin.
Your boy, Jericho.
Peace.
So